masters of the field. Wings wide set in the teeth of the wind, the old beasts, feathered wild beasts, masters of the field. Eagle dancers, wings that shape the wind, carving the cloud into spirit. Sufis of the air, dervish dancers, summoning the sun to tint the mist